Okay, so ilang araw na lang guys, 2026 na, and kung hanggang ngayon, umuutang ka pa rin sa mga online lending apps, medyo mag-isip-isip ka na. So bagong taon, bagong simula yan. So it's now the right time na baguhin natin ang attitude natin sa ating finances. And unang-una na sa lahat dyan is ang pangungutang natin sa mga online lending app. In this video, sasabihin ko sa inyo ang 5 ultimate apps na pwedeng-pwede mong gamitin this 2026 para hindi ka na mangutang sa mga online lending apps. So sino-sino ba sila and ano bang benefit nito sa inyo? Samahan niyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron na experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlist na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Sa tingin ko guys, kapag meron ka netong 5 apps na to, hindi mo na kakailanganin mangutang sa mga online lending app. Lalo na, take note guys, lalo na if you build a good credit score with these 5 ultimate apps. I know kilala nyo na to, but we need to run it down ng paulit-ulit para mag-stick talaga to sa mga isip natin para we could get away na from getting loans from mga online lending app and even legit ones. So, simulan na natin. But disclaimer lang guys, wala po akong collaboration with these any apps na sasabihin ko. But sa listahan ko, ito po yung number 5 ko, which is si Credivo. Well, we have discussed the ins and outs of Credivo, which you can find here, but the highlight of this app is that Credivo is also a 0% buy now pay later app or even cash app wherein your credit line can be converted into cash. However, yung maximum na makukuha mo lang dyan is karaniwan half or not technically 100% ng inyong credit line. But the interesting part here is that kung wala ka ng other apps at meron ka lang Credivo, you're good with it because 0% ka siya. And comparing Credivo with other online lending apps and even legit online lending apps, well, pipiliin ko pa rin ay si Credivo. Though you have to be cautious guys because there is 1% service charge for every time you use this Credivo service. And take note, sabi ko kanina, meron siyang option to convert your credit limit into cash wherein you can also pay in installment. For me, I was given up to 3 months with a reasonable interest naman. Yung charge nila na interest sa mga cash advance is at par naman sa mga kilala na nating mga cash loan service katulad ng GLoan, Tony Credit Builder, etc. 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 Okay, number 4 on my list is si Skyro. Si Skyro, multiple loan service din ang in-offer nila. We have reviewed Skyro extensively on this video. Check nyo na lang din po yan. But in summary, meron po silang product loan, meron po silang cash loan, and meron din po silang revolving credit. Sa revolving credit, ito po yung isa sa pinakamagandang offer din nila, which is the 0% interest ng up to 1 billing. That's around 45 days. 0%. Hihiram ka, wala kang babayaran, walang service charge, kundi ang babayaran mo lang is kung ano yung amount na hiniram mo. Just make sure na babayaran mo siya in full by your due date. One of the interesting fact with Skyro is that every time you use Skyro is nagbibigay siya ng 1% cashback. So if you have 1,000 pesos na hiniram dito sa Skyro Credit, you have 10 points na cashback wherein it can be converted into peso din once you reach a 100 pesos cashback. So, kung pagko-compare mo yung si Credivo may 1% na service charge. Kay Skyro naman, meron siyang 1% na cashback. So, di ba, mas okay sila. Okay, number 3 on my list is syempre ay si Salmon. Si Salmon naman, na-review na natin with a couple of videos na rin, which is yan. Silipin nyo na lang po yan kung di nyo pa po kilala si Salmon. Ang greatest feature neto is the longer payment term ng kanilang 0% na credit line. Ano bang ibig sabihin neto? Well, comparing all these apps na meron tayo, is that hindi up to 45 days, hindi up to 40 days, di ba? Kunyari, ang one billing cycle natin is from December 1 to December 31, plus meron kang additional 15 days na palugid bago mag-due date, di ba? Ganon. Ang palugid niya sa cutoff niya ay 1 month. Ibig sabihin, from December 1 to December 31 na ginastos mo, babayaran mo siya ng January 29, 30, or 31 mo siya babayaran. That only means na up to 62 days ang kanyang billing cycle. Ganon kahaba ang palugid ni Salmon na 0% interest pa. However guys, make sure to pay in full because dun nyo lang mararanasan ang 0% interest. Kapag hindi nyo naman nabayaran in full, medyo masakit din po sa bulsa ang interest. So just make sure na bayaran natin lagi in full. Kasi 9% po ang interest niyan kapag hindi natin nabayaran in full. And take note guys, kapag nag-cash advance naman tayo kay Salmon, hindi magte-take effect ang 0% interest. Okay, number 2 on my list is si Atomic Credit. Si Atomic Credit, 0% din ang interest niya. Sa loob ng 40 days, ang greatest feature ni Atomic Credit is that you can use it through QR, you can use it offline using card, and you can use it over the internet. Ibig sabihin, it is acting like a credit card. Though guys, don't be confused. Atomic Credit is not a credit card. It is simply a debit card preloaded with money na pinahiram sa inyo ni Atome. Isa pa sa kinagandahan ni Atome is that galante po sila sa credit line increase. Kahit hindi po kayo gumagamit, halos every month nag-i-increase po ang credit line. And just to show you how much is my credit line, ito na po ang credit line ko as of today. Natapos na po yung last increase ko, tapos every time na nagre-refer po ako, hindi na po siya nag-i-increase. But the good thing here is, you can use it through QR. There's a workaround na pwede mong gamitin yan para maging cash. So, search nyo na lang din po sa internet. Baka meron na rin po ako dito sa aking YouTube videos. Medyo silipin nyo na lang po. Last but not the least is si Bilis Credit. Well, si Bilis Credit previously, minimum lang ng 2,000 ang 0% nila. But eventually, ginawa na nilang full credit line mo ang 0% interest. Meaning, kung magkano ang credit line mo, meron kang 50,000 na credit line, pwede mo siyang gamitin and babayaran mo siya pagdating ng payday mo at 0% interest. If in case na problema kayo sa pagbabayad, well, you can convert these purchases into installment. Meron nga lang din kayong babayaran na interest because nag-installment na kayo. And the best part of having a Bilis account is that maganda po ang kanilang service, maganda po ang kanilang customer service, napaka-accommodating po nila. If this is your first time na medyo nagigipit ka, you can contact Bilis Customer Service and ask for an extension. And usually, binibigay po nila yan kung maganda ang credit standing nyo with Bilis na wala pang extra charge or wala pang late penalty. So, you may want to get in touch with Bilis if medyo nakaka-experience kayo ng financial difficulty. So, basically, yan ang 5 ultimate apps natin na kailangan mo this 2026 para hindi ka na umutang sa mga online lending app. And again guys, maganda po itong mga services na to. Maganda po ang features nila, pero once na hindi po tayo makapagbayad in full, baka doon na po natin sabihin na
ang pangit naman yung nirecommend na yan.
take note always na maganda ang ino-offer nila sa atin and we need to take care of our accounts with them. Huwag po natin hayaan na masira ang pangalan natin kasi sayang naman po itong features and benefits na ino-offer nila. Okay, for our question of the day, ilan na dito sa mga apps na to ang meron ka and nakakatulong ba itong mga apps na to sa finances mo right now? Let me know sa comment section sa baba for your chance to win 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay Ruchiel Pugoy. At Ruchiel Pugoy, sabi po niya ay shoutout naman ako or pa-shoutout naman ako. Kay Ruchiel Pugoy, shoutout po sa inyo. Thank you so much po for watching and supporting my videos. And Happy New Year po sa inyo. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up. And if not, wala na problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive ka ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!